We make essentially anything out of wood that you can put inside of a building. So that could be a table, bookshelves, cabinets. The biggest thing that we use is MDF. I really like MDF because it's recycled. So we use laminate. Sometimes we use wood veneers, but it really just depends on what our customer is asking for. So right now our customers are mainly department stores and bookstores. They are all over the United States. We offer 2 categories of job positions. One is in our office and one is in the shop. In the office, we have our project managers. They do purchasing, they do sales, they do a lot of design work. And then the shop folks are people who are really good with their hands. We have people who work on programming and running the CNC machines. And then there's a group of people who build the stuff that is cut. And then there's a group of people who finish the stuff.
A little bit of everything. So from the start of the project to the finish, I help do a little bit of design work as well as making sure projects go through the shop, address any problems.
Building something they've never built before. A lot of different problems arise every day. Fix them on the fly.
My husband and I decided to quit our corporate jobs. We felt like we had more to offer the world, and we also really believe in American manufacturing. I think it is the future, and we like being a part of that. We also like the idea of a manufacturing business because it's really tangible and you can feel and see everything that you're making. I think what makes us unique, though, is that we are very young owners and we are bringing a sort of new and fresh perspective to a very old industry.
I think the coolest part about working in manufacturing is building a team.
A little bit of everything. I mean, you get different stuff in, different clients, and just to be able to work with everybody you get to work with.
We're steering the business in a direction that I agree with. You get to make those decisions. So I think that that's really cool.